right. Well, I wanted to add a pop-up box to my website to build my email list, to get some subscribers. Now, what I found is that obviously over time, with everything going to mobile, having a subscriber box on the right-hand sidebar isn't as efficient. Of course, we have on mobile devices no sidebar. The sidebar on the website is now pushing down to the bottom or into the menu. And I wanted to have something that popped out, so I went ahead through my email software. I'll put a link below for you to check this out as well. I'm going to be doing a lot of training on my email platforms, and I've used several, and I teach them all when I test them and use them. I'll probably have another one that I'll test and use. But here, what I want to show you really cool is how easy this is. So I'm going to go over here to create form, and I'm going to go to List Builder Wizard. Or I'm actually already there. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find a box that I like. Now, my website theme is green. It's about money, teaching people how to grow their affiliate marketing business. Okay, I like this one. Nice, clean, green. I'm going to use it. So click Use Template. This was so easy to figure out and get functioning. I was really surprised how easy it was, okay? Now, you want to change whatever your offer is going to be. So if you're giving away a free ebook or you're just offering to have them subscribe. Okay, so maybe I'll click here. Get affiliate marketing tips, guides, videos, plus the best affiliate programs. Okay, and then if I wanted them to be able to comment there, I could put that there. But see, I'm just dragging this stuff around, real simple. And then on the right-hand side, you've got all your fields. If I wanted to add something in here, if I wanted a phone number, I wanted something else. I'm trying to keep my forms right now very, very simple so that they're not intimidating and so that people will obviously fill them out. So if I wanted something else there, I could put it there. And what's cool, too, is that I'm getting the IP address. And I am a fiend about tracking sources. And what I love about this program is that when it sends me the email telling me I have a new subscriber, it tells me what page they subscribed from, and it gives me their IP address. Now I can take their IP address, throw it in my Clicky Analytics software, and I can see if they came from Google or Facebook. I can see their entrance page or exit page. So that's giving me more data if I want to know where this user came from, because I want to know what's working, right? I can also, I believe, oh, I just did it. I didn't mean to do that. If I double click, you can change your text font and you can change your size. So if we want that offer to be a little bit bigger, we can move those boxes back down and we can make that font here a little bit bigger. I'm all about the big font on my call to action. Okay, so see there, you can either punch in the number or you can just drag it, drop it, whatever you want to do there. All right, I think we're close, so I'm going to slide that here. Okay, so get affiliate marketing tips, guides, videos, and the best affiliate marketing. I'll just put affiliate programs. Okay, now, this is very important. I didn't know this right away. I had to figure this out after the fact. Up here, there's this little wheel. Click there. Now, you need to choose. You can name your form. So mine is the 7th Stream blog. And then choose what list they're going to go into when they subscribe. So mine are going to go into the 7th Stream blog. Do you want to have them confirm their opt-in or not? There are people that say absolutely do not include that because you're going to lose a bunch of your subscribers. There's others that say absolutely do it so that your mailing list stays clean. So you'll have to decide that. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and have them double opt in. And then there's some other info here, and I'll get into more of this later on the thank you pages and where you might want to send them after, because this is a good opportunity while you have their attention when they subscribe to actually have something else show up. They're directed to the thank you page, and your thank you page offers a special affiliate program or something that you might want to pitch on your affiliate link or something. Or you have an upcoming webinar, or you have another reason to send them there. So you can actually choose your thank you page here, custom, default, or stay on the page. And then if they're already subscribed, what do you want them to do? And then I'm going to click save. Okay, so now we have our form. Okay, so I'm going to save and publish. Now we need to get this over to our website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this JavaScript code right here. And I'm going to go over to WordPress. WordPress is 100% my favorite platform. I have 7 websites, all with their own income stream, all on WordPress. So now here, we're going to go over to the primary sidebar. So if you're not familiar with this, this is where all of your customization is done on your WordPress website that makes it look a certain way on the front end. So this here is your primary sidebar. So if I go over here to the 7th stream, we'll land on the blog. If I click on any one of my blogs here, the right-hand sidebar is going to appear. So see these items here that are on that right sidebar? They are right here. These are those items. So what you want to do is you want to add a custom HTML. Where do you want it? Primary sidebar, add widget. Doesn't matter where you put this now. Paste it right here. Nobody's going to see that. Oh, I forgot one thing. Let me just go ahead and save this. Go back to our form for a second. I forgot something we have to do. I'm going to go back to the form creator. We forgot to choose what we wanted the form to do, where we wanted it to show up. And this is very important. So right here, click on style. Click on style. Hold on. Layout. I'm sorry. Click on layout. Now, do you want this to be an embedded form, a popover form, or a scroll form? Now, you'll be able to play with these, but I'm going to do a popover form because that's what I did on my other one. I'm going to position it in the center of the screen. I'm going to add an effect. I'm going to have it shake, or we can have it slide from the bottom, from the right, from the left, from the top. Let's have it slide from the top. I haven't seen what that one looks like. And then you can choose if you want it to have a delay. So when the person lands, do you want this form to immediately pop up? Do you want it to show up after they've been there for a few seconds, right? Because maybe you want to make sure they're a little more interested and you don't want to be super annoying by having it show up that second. So you can kind of play with this. Now we'll save and publish. Okay, now we've already done this, done, saved. Okay, so now watch what happens. I'm going to refresh this page and let's wait for our form to show up. We set it for, I believe, 5 seconds. So somebody's on the page. They're scrolling. There it is. They're reading Get Affiliate Marketing Tips, Guides, Videos, and the Best Affiliate Marketing. Now, that didn't look like it slid to me. It kind of looked like it popped up. So you can play with those. If you want it to shake, it'll shake back and forth. So whatever you want that. Now, the person can just simply close it, but then watch what happens. They go to another page on the website, and they're scrolling, and after a few seconds, that form's going to pop up again. So I put this on a website today, and I got several signups today since I just set that up, and it's working great. So you'll have to determine what offer works for people. You know, if you just put get our newsletter, you're not likely to get a lot of subscribers. You got to tell them what they're getting. They're getting tutorials, guides, tips, best ofs, lists, coupons, whatever it is that you're going to offer. Or you can have a pop-up say, download our free guide. And as soon as they register now, they've downloaded your guide. And you can have a little checkbox on that form that says, subscribe to the blog. That's automatically checked, but they can uncheck it or whatever. So, make sure that you're following all of whatever regulations you're following. You do want to make sure if they're subscribing that they know they are subscribing. That's important. And so I want to make sure that they know about that. So this is cool. I'm really excited about this. Link below right in the video, and you can check out the software. I've got lots of other training videos on this and more like it. Training course at ballenacademy.com.